Praise be Jesus and Mary. Whoever would save his life will lose it. And whoever wishes to be my follower must deny himself, his very self, and take up his cross each day. If a man is ashamed of me and my doctrine, the Son of Man will be ashamed of him. You know why I read this, brothers and sisters, this part of the gospel? Because it all summed up on the feast that we are celebrating, the stigmata of Saint Francis. Why? Because the stigmata, or the 5 wounds of Jesus, is the sign of predilection. And it's a sign of the passion itself, the cross itself. The stigmata. And you know how painful is it to someone who received that stigmata. Like, of course, our Seraphic Father Saint Francis, and even Saint Pio, whom we will celebrate this month also. The feast of Saint Pio Pietrelcina is coming September 23. And even Saint Veronica Giuliani received also these 5 wounds of Jesus. And you know what our Seraphic Father Saint Francis received is to proclaim what God in His infinite love do in order for us to love Him. He not only gave us His Son, but His Son gave His life for us on the cross. Kaya nga, kining stigmata, our Seraphic Father Saint Francis was really not only a imagination or idea. I remember when we studied Franciscanism, with our professor, Father Paulo, he said, that sad to say, some Franciscan, even theologians, deny or put doubts on the stigmata of our Seraphic Father. Hindi ko na sabihin yung ibang pangalan nila, Pero, yung iba sa kanila, they make a book just to deny or question the validity of the stigmata of our Seraphic Father Saint Francis. Pero yun nga, it is really very ironic that they deny the stigmata, while on the other hand, the sigma or the symbol of the Franciscan is really regarding the stigmata, di ba? Kita niyo yung symbol ng Franciscan, di ba? Anong nasa symbol ng Franciscan? Yung kamay ni Saint Francis at kamay ni Lord na mayroong stigmata, So, from the beginning, really, of the order as it is established, by the Minister General, different Minister General of the order, really, the stigmata played a very, very important role, And the stigmata is a proof, kumbaga trademark ni Lord, that the Franciscan is really a order approved not only by the church but by Christ Himself through our Seraphic Father Saint Francis. May katunayan, siguro hindi naman sa pagmamayabang, walang religious order na mayroong katibayang very, very clear than the proof of the stigmata of Seraphic Father Saint Francis. Kaya nga, remember the vision or the revelation of Saint Margaret Mary Alacoque, if I'm not mistaken, di ba? when he saw Jesus walking in the sand, no? And there was a man with a stigmata like him, no? Following his footsteps, not making his own footsteps in the sand, but putting his feet on the same footprints of Jesus. And when Saint Margaret asked, "Who is that, Lord?" No? And our Lord said, "That is my son, Saint Francis of Assisi." Okay? And the Pope, no? Down to the century, never, and this is really a very beautiful thing. No? Although some friars, no, deny it, no, even theologians, no, but the Holy Father from the time, I think, of Gregory the IX until now, no, approved and certified the authenticity of the stigmata of Saint Francis. No? See? So, you should not, we should really rejoice, no? Because this is something particular and special only to the Franciscan order. No? Wala kang makitang, no, hindi naman sa pag-aano, sa Dominican, sa Jesuit, no? Although of course, their founders are holy, no? Saint John Bosco, no? Saint Camillus de Lelis, they are holy. But none of them in this line of founders have received the proof of Christ's passion, the stigmata. Sige nga, name me a founder of a religious order who received a stigmata rather than Saint Francis. No one. No? Saint Benedict, no. Pero may isa, no? Isa sa mga apostol, kinsa ni, ang may stigmata. Tingnan natin kung nagre-research ka mo. Sino sa mga apostles ang merong stigmata? See? Sipain ko kayo dyan. Sino? Sa mga apostles ang may stigmata. Sino? See? Saint Peter. Si Pilimon, si Pilimon. Sino? Ha? Naku. Sino? Saint Paul. Si San Pablo. No? Why? Because he said himself, no? I bear in my body the suffering of Christ. No? And when he said, sandali, may isa pang part, no? That God gave me this, no? Pain, no? Sabi niya, no? In order to punish me, no? That pain is not much, no? That is the stigmata, according to tradition, no? And one of our beloved, Father Peter Fellner, no? Agree with it, no? That's why, of course, historically, which is written in the annals of the Church, Saint Francis, but scripturally, no, in the whole Church, as history, it was Saint Paul was the first who received the stigmata. No? Kaya nga, no, we should really be proud of being a Franciscan. Because this stigmata is not something ordinary. It is extraordinary. Sabi nga sa theology, gratia gratis data. It's a gratia gratis data. Not all receive this kind of grace. But also, if you receive this grace, it is a great responsibility. No? A great responsibility. Once you receive the stigmata, why? Because you are really manifesting Christ Himself. No? Kaya nga alam nyo, si Saint Francis, kung tutusin, hindi na in some way, hindi na niya kailangan maging pare para maging alter Christus. No? Kasi yung stigmata mismo, nagpapatunay siya ay alter Christus. Even though he is not a priest, he is only a deacon, and yet, because of the stigmata, he become an alter Christus, an other Christ. No. And you know, my brothers and sisters, Saint Francis, is unique, in that aspect of the stigmata. Kahit anong sabihin ng ibang mga even the Franciscan itself, to deny it, to question, to doubt the validity of the stigmata, and yet, the stigmata remains, a valid, proof of the holiness, sanctity of Saint Francis of Assisi. Kaya nga, kitang tanan, all of us, what do we do with regards to this beautiful blessing, especially for us Franciscan, to celebrate this stigmata? Maganda yung theme ng intervocational Jubilee of Vocation ng mga Franciscan. Sayang lang, hindi natuloy today. So they move it, God's willing, October 10 to 11, sabi nila, they will go to Gabok, So hopefully, invite natin lahat, pati mga sisters, mga to participate in this vocational jamboree, ng mga tanang Franciscan. Sabi dun sa theme, from wounds to new life. From wounds to new life. Galing dun sa sugat, sa bagong kinabuhi, sa new pagbabago, conversion, bagong buhay. Importante, we cannot live our conversion as Christian if we do not have this stigmata. Of course, hindi lang yung physical, Physical, Pero, ang importante ay yung stigmata spiritual and moral. Ano yung, Father? Ano yung sabihin ng stigmata moral and spiritual? Ibig sabihin, yun yung i-embodied natin, yung sinabi ni Saint Paul, sa kanyang letter, bear, in our life the suffering of Christ, Yan sabi niya na part ng sinabi ni Saint Paul, to complete what is lacking in the passion of Christ. To complete what is lacking in the passion of Christ. Kitang tanan, as Christians, especially as Franciscan, we have to complete what is lacking in the passion of Christ. Means that every day, sabi nga sa gospel ngayon, we must bear our cross. Of course, hindi madali. Hindi ko sinabing madali. It is hard. Lalo na kung yung krus mo, hindi si Tirso Cruz, hindi si Cheryl Cruz, at si Donna Cruz, kundi ang krus mo ay yung mismong kasama mo sa bahay, kasama mo sa community, Alala ko yung kwento, sa charismatic, sabi nung preacher, mga kapatid, mga igsoon, itas nyo ang inyong mga krus, Alam niyo yung ginawa nung lalaki, Binuhat niya yung kanyang asawa. No? Binuhat nung lalaki yung asawa niya, sabi, Lord, ito ang aking krus. Nagulat yung misis niya, no? No, see? That's the truth, no? Every day we have a cross to bear. Some are light and some are heavy. No? But we need to ask the grace from God. Remember, no, that when we die, sabi ng isang saint, no, when we die, Jesus, no, in the judgment seat of God, will search for our wounds. No? Tatanungin daw tayo ni Lord, asan yung mga sugat mo para sa akin? Where are those wounds that you received for my sake? No? Pag wala ka may pakitang sugat kay Lord, hindi ka kapasok. That's your ticket to heaven. No? Kaya nga, we should not be sad, no? Na natayong sugat, may mga nangyari sa atin sa past na nagawa nating mali. No. What is important is those mistakes, those wrong choices that we made, no, becomes for us a lesson and a challenge to continue. No? Eh, sabi ko nga one time, no, magandang pumunta sa langit na ang iyong team song ay I did my best, but my best isn't good enough. No? At least sabihin mo kay Lord, Lord, I did my best. Ito yung nagawa ko. I did what I have to do. No? Ikaw nang bahala. And God surely will let you in. And said, of course, what is important is that you did your best. What is important is that you show me your stigmata, the wounds in your soul, how many sacrifices, suffering that you give, no, to be able to show your love for me. No? Yan yung dapat natin tignan. No? Kasi ngayon, no, sa totoo lang, no, Christianity, sabi nga ni Pope Francis, no, iwasan natin yung tinatawag na comfortable Christian. No? Marami yung gano'n, no? Ayaw nang magsakripisyo. Lahat gusto madali na lang. No? Lahat gusto papendat-pendat lang. No? We do not really bear the stigmata in our soul, in our spirit. No? And remember, St. Pio, St. Veronica Giuliani, and our Seraphic Father, St. Francis, according to, I think, St. Bonaventure or Blessed Thomas Celano, no? That this stigmata is only a manifestation outside of what is already inside. Nagets nyo? Bago nag-appear yung mga stigmata of our Seraphic Father and St. Pio, no, they already had it in their soul, in the spirit. No? Kaya nga, di ba, sino dito sa inyo nakabasa ng biography ni St. Pio of Pietrelcina? No? In his biography, St. Pio said, no, Father, no, please, no, do not make this manifest what is already I have, no? Lord, wag mo nang ilabas, no? Sa akin na lang, no? Kasi St. Pio knew the consequences if that stigmata will be manifested. And yet, of course, sabi niya, God's will be done. Nung lumabas na yung stigmata, ayun na, di ba? Sabi ni St. Pio, no? Oh Lord, may expression siya na nakalimutan ko na sa Napolitano, no? No? May expression ng mga Napolitano na parang siya, no? Na-shock siya, no? Lord, bakit? No? Lord, gabi naman to, no? You manifested the stigmata. And Seraphic Father St. Francis, you know how really he suffered, no? Sa kanyang stigmata. Hindi lang yun. No? May stigmata na si St. Francis bago siya mamatay. Meron pa siyang sakit sa mata. No? Katarata. No? Halos na siya, no? Mabubulag na. And then other complication. No? Kaya nga nung excavate yung katawan ni St. Francis after anong year yun, no? Alam niyo, no? They diagnose his body. Marami palang sakit si St. Francis. Sita niyo? And yet, he bore it together with the stigmata. No? Sita niyo? That's why it is a consolation for us, no? That no matter how great the sufferings we have, the cross we have, no? We can bear it just like St. Francis if we have Jesus' love and sacrifice in our hearts. So let us ask our Seraphic Father, St. Francis, to help us in this 800 years anniversary of the stigmata, no? To follow his example and just like St. Paul, no? Complete what is lacking in the sufferings of our Lord. Praise be Jesus and Mary.